To sta obraza očeta in matere, ki sta za svojih 13 otrok v lastnem domu ustvarila pekel. Z verigami priklenjeni k posteljam, mlačni in umazani so otroci le redko videli sonce. Nikoli se niso igrali na ulici, starša jih nikoli nista izpustila z oči.
They didn't speak, they kept to themselves. They were, like I said, the kids were invisible. And the only time I saw the kids, besides the Christmas incident, the kids were just coming out of the car, going into the house. That was it. So it was I never saw the kids by themselves. The parents were close around.
Leta zlorabe so na otrocih pustile hude posledice. Med 13 otroci je bilo namreč kar 7 polnoletnih, ki so zaradi nedohranjenosti kazali precej manj let, kot so bili dejansko stari. Stanje otrok je pretreslo tudi tiste, ki so vajeni pretresljivih prizorov.
In the time we live in, it's unfortunate to see this. It's actually heartbreaking for the staff and it's unbelievable what you see.
6 otrok so nemudoma odpeljali bolnišnico Riverside, 7 odraslih pa bolnišnico v Coroni. Oskrba tako zelo travmatiziranih posameznikov je za bolnišnično osebje še posebej zahtevna.
Well, our staff is used to taking care of people that are quite ill. They're used to compassionate care, and so we pull out all the stops, so to speak, to make sure that, again, that their privacy is dealt with, that they get the appropriate care, and that they are treated with dignity and respect at a time when they need it the most.
Do razkritja dogajanja v tej hiši je prišlo potem, ko je 17-letna hči uspela zbežati in poklicati policijo. Policisti so se nemudoma odzvali ter obiskali hišo groze. Vrata jim je odprla 49-letna Louise Anna Turpin.
She was just like coughing, acting a little weird, and just like the police officer was talking to her, and she just kept like smirking at him and like kind of like she spit twice down the floor.
Skupaj s soprogom Davidom Turpinom je vodila zasebno šolo, ki je bila prijavljena na domačem naslovu. Dramatično razkritje je povsem osupnilo sosede, ki trdijo, da o dogajanju v hiši sosedov niso vedeli ničesar.
We just heard on Facebook and on the news that this family hold their children captive in their house and chain some of their kids to the beds and things. So it's just been really shocking knowing that they have like 12 kids locked in their house.
Crazy, you never know who your neighbors are.
Sodišče je za starša razpisalo varščino $9 milijonov in s tem zagotovilo, da do sojenja ne bosta mogla na prostost. Sojenje, v katerem se bosta zagovarjala zaradi mučenja in ogrožanja otrok, bo v četrtek.